Want access to exclusive hotel deals, dining discounts, and VIP treatment that can seriously upgrade your travel game? Then let's break down exactly what an Accor Plus membership is, in about a minute. Essentially, it's a paid membership program offered by Accor, a global hotel group with thousands of properties across Asia Pacific. First, accommodation. Accor Plus gives you access to red-hot room sales, offering up to 50% off room rates at participating hotels. You also get a complimentary night stay each year, typically in a standard room, at a participating property. Next, dining. This is where Accor Plus really shines. Members typically receive discounts of up to 50% on dining bills at participating hotel restaurants across Asia Pacific. This discount varies depending on the number of diners. Beyond discounts, Accor Plus often includes benefits like priority check-in, room upgrades, and access to members-only events. These perks can make your hotel stays significantly more enjoyable. Accor Plus also links with Accor's ALL loyalty program. When you earn all points, you can redeem them for stays, experiences, and more. Your Accor Plus membership can often accelerate your point earnings. Is it worth it? Well, if you frequently travel within Asia Pacific and stay at Accor hotels or dine at their restaurants, the savings can quickly offset the membership fee. Calculate how much you spend, and then compare it with the membership price and benefits. Check out AccorPlus.com for all the details, specific terms, and to compare the different membership tiers to find the best fit for your travel habits.